Hey YouTube, Surgeon General's the name, ranting is my game. Now, I'm an American born surrounded by a bunch of foreigners just trying to make sense of the world around me. To see what I'm talking about, you can check out my videos on my channel and hit subscribe while you're at it. In the meantime, here's a preview of what to expect. Motherfucker, son of a bitch! Over there, all people do is people watch, smoke cigarettes, act unimpressed, and take selfies. While I'm over here like...
Ja nisam mogla da spavam ikako noćas. Noge su mi natečene, kosti me bole. Did you say it again?
Can I get a Coke?
One more water,
Hold
please.
on! One more beer, please. Okay, all y'all getting waters right now. Fuck this.
Imam ja curu za tebe, lepa je ko ikona sveta.
O ja? Koliko zuba ona ima?
I jebate slaba, mrš!
Nisam čula, ajde malo glasnije.
Rekao je da dolazi odmah da je ženi.
Oh my gosh, look at her butt. I'm a boss ass bitch, 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 bitch. I'm a boss ass.
Try explaining to your friends that you can't hang out this weekend because you have to get ready to perform on stage. They are probably thinking,
dancing the cha-cha-cha. Surgeon General and his partner, Julianne Hunt.
these singers trying to be trendsetters by wearing some weird ass shit, calling it high fashion. Like, what the reptile is this? And then there are those family members who comment like, Slatki shmoj, pozdrav. Like, oh my f***ing god. If you even try to act cool for a second, they'll remind you how uncool you really are. I could be slaving away cleaning the house, but if I get caught laying down for a motherfucking millisecond, I'd get bitched at for being a lazy ass. And of course, no one's around when I'm doing the dishes, so when my dad sees my mom do it, I get bitched at again. Judging by how many hands are on deck helping out, you'd probably think we're setting up for Lollapalooza. But no, it's just a pre-game for a wedding. However, there is live music. And here I am with homemade leftovers, which either smell like and taste good, or look like and taste good. Ain't nobody gonna trade chips for goulash. People come up to me all the time and say, when are you gonna get married? Hurry up, your grandparents won't live forever. You're next. And then I'm like, you're next. There was this one Christmas where the choir decided to have their own concert. Yo, this church is jam-packed and hot as hell in here, and you guys think it's a good idea to prolong this service? I got things to do.
Da sam ja na tvome mestu, ja bih rekao, hey baby, I love you, you wanna have a good time, let's go. Tako se to radi, nema hoćeš, nećeš.
All in all, it's an exhausting, boozy weekend that everyone's gonna talk about the next day.
Keep posted on upcoming videos by subscribing to my channel down here. Follow me on Snapchat and Instagram at Surgeon_General. And Facebook and Twitter at Surgeon General.
Yasha!